Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, power third passenger door, privacy glass, fog lamps. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.